Welcome to Lion Paper Products, an international supply chain-driven company committed to providing efficient product manufacturing and delivery for the cultural and creative industries, ensuring we meet your business needs. Our factories are certified to international standards, ensuring quality and safety. We focus on high precision and high efficiency production, and are equipped with many semi-automatic and fully automatic production equipment. We purchase raw materials from domestic factories and out of China factories to save the cost and expedite the schedule. Strict quality control to ensure no after-sales issues with every batch of goods, providing customers with peace of mind. Organize and neatly arrange each customer's products and goods, strictly verify the information, and add protective measures. Then apply sealing film and await transportation. Strict production training, precise production, ensuring consistency in quality. The truck arrived on time for the dispatch of our first batch of goods. Strictly use desiccant packets to avoid after-sales issues caused by external factors. In addition, we will arrange the cargo space in the container in advance to avoid large gaps and potential collisions during transportation that may affect delivery. Our Cambodian factory is now fully operational, helping you complete procurement more efficiently and cost-effectively. Lion Paper Products, your global supply chain partner, looking forward to working with you. We have confirmed that Lion Paper Product Cambodia factory is eligible for preferential tariff rate, which allows for cost saving on your goods. We are beneficial both you and your consumer by making products more affordable. Paper Products Jiaxing Sale Ltd was established in 2015 and is a global paper products supply chain enterprise serving the US, Europe, the Middle East, South Korea, and Japan. Our headquarters is located in Jiaxing, Zhejiang Province. We have set up a factory in Cambodia with an annual production lasting over 5 million notebooks. With years of research into market demands and customer needs, we strive to be the most reliable supplier for our clients by offering competitive pricing, high-quality products, and timely delivery of the highest service standards to global customers. Employee count, over 200. Total area, 5,000 square meters. Main products, barrel notebooks, thread-bound notebooks, annual calendars, desk calendars, wall calendars, and paper boxes. Main equipment, black color printing machine, all color printing machine, CTP plate making machine, paper counter, automatic punching machine, casing machine with visual positioning, automatic spiral binding machine, folding machine. Certifications, ISO 9001, BSc, FSC certification. Collation machine and gluing machine. Customer-centric, efficiency-driven, and innovation-driven by integrating upstream and downstream ecosystems and leveraging our professionalism and quick response capabilities, we provide customers with high-quality products at competitive prices and fast delivery times. We are committed to delivering first-class products and services to our customers. We implement full process quality control from raw material storage to finished product delivery. Ensure that every detail is accurate and error-free. Welcome to contact us.